So, I was in the carport last night, you know, me in one car, me and my Toyota Echo.
Hey broski, 2 foggers.
Want a shot at cruising downtown tomorrow night? You know, gotta be ready.
Wanna know what this is? It's my new fucking spider bomb. Know what that means? I'm getting rid of some fucking spiders tonight. My friends, they're all coming out to help me. They're getting rid of some spiders tonight. I'm gonna kill every spider in this car. I'm gonna kill them until their fucking legs fall off. Fucking spiders, spiders, fucking spiders, spiders, fucking spiders. Spiders love my car. Fucking spiders. Yeah, the car is small, because I'm fucking awesome. Swear to God, one spider looks at me the wrong way, start a fucking anti-spider revolution. Fucking looking at me? Huh? Huh? Fucking Spidey killing time.
Excuse me, man. You have to pay for this.
Not now, Chief. I'm in the zone.
I'm the fucking woman!
Oh! Yeah, I killed spiders. I ate those bastards for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm in control, baby. I'm in fucking control. Fucking raid. Fucking raid! Where's the damn raid, Mom? Told you to get some raid! Fuck! Yeah, I fucking grunt when I kill some spiders in the car. That's because everyone should see how clean and beautiful my fucking Echo is. What? 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 Borax! Raid! Fogger! Fog spray! I'm gonna waste some spiders tonight. I'm gonna do it with foggers. Spider bombs all fucking night. Spider bombs. I'll fucking shower my car in that shit. Fucking spider bombs. Fucking spider bombs. Spider bombs. Fucking spider bombs. Spider bombs.